So we are starting off with a time lapse, and we are removing the windows, and of course I did break that side window as you see it right now. Here I am cleaning the chassis and preparing it to have the bracing done and welded in it. Next we are going to make the support frame inside the cab. So the first piece of support frame is in place. More to follow.
Muumin pappa.
Yes. Maybe we need a bit more current. Perhaps.
Maybe.
Maybe so.
More power!
Unlimited power!
I think there might be a bit more welding to do for you.
Oh no, shit. I think that will hold for what we need it to hold.
Yeah, it should.
Well, the car is rocking, so I think it's good enough for the curve we did.
No fat chicks will rub.
Well, yes, you could say that. Muchos petres.
Putros kali. Look at it! I made a thing!
I made a thing! I did a thing! Meillä on muuten kaasu kiinni.
Ei oo.
Avasit sen?
Avasin.
Alright.
Yes. Big maybe. Yes. Very good. Very good. Harasso.
Very nice.
Pa.
Oi! Sitä ei laiteta videoon.
Why did you do it like that? You did a hole.
Yes, the episode is called Making Holes. Let's try again. Muchos petres. Let's put one here also, just because I can. That's enough.
Yes, that's
and
good.
Also some here. Yes. Very nice. here too. Yes. Just because we can. So it will be very much more unpleasant to take it out. Why not?
Grinder and paint makes me the welder I ain't.
Yes. Definitely I ain't. Hey, don't, not too close.
It's good.
Don't go too close.
It is very good.
Very not hyvä.
Very much bueno. Just for the record, we are not professional welders.
Or professional anything.
We are professional grease fucking monkeys.
Professional stupid.
Yes.
That's
Professional idiots.
yes, that's everything that's going for us right now.
Yeah, it should be good. Well, at least it's rigid now. It shouldn't fold in half when you cut the floor open.
Well, what's left of the floor you mean?
Yeah, exactly.
I think all the structural integrity is pretty much gone. But now we have some more.
Yes, we have made some more.
Yes. Not floor, but structure.
Yes.